Happy Theme Thursday. Today's theme is elephants or shades of gray. We have a mix here. We put all the babies that could fit in this bed. So let's gonna start with, let's see, with Summer Rain. I love this baby so much. She's holding her elephant Lovey, and she has some pink elephant in her hat and in her onesie. And Victoria Sophia also has some pink elephants in her bib and a blue elephant in her passy and her passy clips. And my beautiful twins, Olivia and Oliver. Olivia is wearing a animal onesie that has a very big pink elephant, and she also has some gray bunnies and gray koalas. And Oliver has his animal PJs that has a blue elephant right there, see, right here, and some gray dogs and lions. And we're gonna move to Elena. So sweet. She has her gray whale from SeaWorld, and she has some gray bunnies in her PJ with gray little fuzzy tails. Can you see? Look right here. Yep. And Alexa, my Alexa has some gray in her onesie. And Claudia has a big gray and white zebra. And Catalina, that baby always makes me smile. She has some gray and white chips. Can you see? Very happy chips. Yep. And Valentina, she also has a gray onesie with a big sparkly unicorn. And my Paloma Celeste has an elephant right there. Super cute, this girl. And my baby girl, Alisa Jane, also is wearing her pink elephants in her PJs. See? And Hattie has a gray shirt with Mickey, and he's holding his gray elephant. Super cute. He's watching all these girls. He's watching them because he's their big brother, and he needs to protect them. And my Alana Isabel, she's wearing gray. And my Julian, he has his gray and white striped PJs or overall that says Mommy Leader's Guy. Yeah, I love this baby so much. And here we have my Luva, my sweet Luva, and he has his gray dino PJs. Super cute and adorable. And here we have my little Joseph, who is wearing his long sleeve onesie that has gray and white stripes. And here is Dante, who is wearing gray shirt, pants, and hat, and has an elephant right there. And last but not least is my new baby Mauricio, and he's wearing gray with all kind of sea creatures, and in his hat he has a big running fish right there with a pipe. Can you see that? Oh my goodness me. And he has a very big mermaid right here and some fishes Super cute. I love this baby so much. Have a blessed day. And happy Theme Thursday. Bye-bye and take care. We love you.